Hello students, welcome back. In this video, we focus on the structure of HTML program. In last video, we have seen what is HTML, what are the tags of HTML, how nested tags are used, which text editor used to write program, HTML program. In this video, we focus on structure of HTML program. One example, how to run that HTML program, then advantages, disadvantage and the features. So let's start. First point is structure of a web page. What is web page? Web page means whatever the program you run on the browser is known as the web page. Means we use the HTML program to run program on the browser, that's why it is known as the web page. So the structure of web page or structure of HTML program, all web pages share a common structure. ऑल वेब पेजेस शेयर अ कॉमन स्ट्रक्चर. दैट मीन्स सारे वेब पेजेस जो है उसका एक ही कॉमन स्ट्रक्चर रहेगा जो आपको फॉलो करना है. उसके अंदर 4 टैग्स हैं. देर आर 4 टैग्स देर आर 4 टैग्स HTML, हेड, टाइटल एंड बॉडी. चारों भी टैग्स आपको लिखना कंपलसरी है. फिर अपन अब स्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं. व्हाट इज स्ट्रक्चर? दिस इज ऑन इन द राइट हैंड साइड. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ HTML प्रोग्राम. First, we always starts with HTML and ends with HTML tag. We always start with HTML tag and ends with HTML tag. Whole the program is enclosed within HTML tag. Inside HTML we write head tag. Inside head tag we write title, and the title tag enclosed with a text. Which text you need to give the title of the web page, right? Means here example is given, that means the title of the web page is example. Then end of title, end of head. Then body. Inside body tag, whatever the data you want to view on the browser screen, you have to write inside the body tag, in which you can add text, you can add images, or you can add tables, or whatever you want to write, you can add inside the body tag and end of the HTML. एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है कि HTML जो है वो केस सेंसिटिव लैंग्वेज है. इसीलिए अगर आप HTML की शुरुआत मतलब टैग की ओपनिंग जो है वो अगर कैपिटल लेटर से, दैट इज़ अपर केस लेटर से अगर कर रहे हैं तो आपको एंड जो है वो भी अपर केस लेटर से ही करना है. अगर आप लोअर केस लेटर से स्टार्टिंग कर रहे हैं तो आपको लोअर केस लेटर से ही स्टार्टिंग करना है. या फिर अगर आप मिक्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स H कैपिटल एंड TML इज़ small, then you need to end that tag with H capital and TML small. Okay, so ये बात जो है वो ध्यान रखना है. तो ये हो गया स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ वेब पेज. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज we see each tag in detail. फर्स्ट इज HTML. एज पर जैसे मैंने बताया कि होल प्रोग्राम जो है वो HTML टैग के अंदर लिखा जाता है, इसीलिए उसको रूट एलिमेंट कहा जाता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड HTML रूट एलिमेंट एंड यूज टू रैप ऑल कोड. पूरा कोड जो है अपन HTML टैग के अंदर रैप करते हैं. सेकेंड इज हेड टैग. हेड टैग कंटेन्स मेटा डेटा, title or page CSS etc. That means inside the head tag we use different tags like title tag or style tag. Okay, title tag is used to give title to the web page, and style tag we used for the CSS, which is in our 4th unit CSS, that is cascading style sheet. तो ये स्टाइल टैग जो है अपन CSS के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. All the HTML elements that can be used inside the head elements are title, style, etc. Okay, means inside the head tag we use in short title tag, and title tag is used to give the title to the web page. Next point is body. Body tag is used to enclose all the data which a web page has, from text to links. Means whatever content we want to render on the web page or on the browser, whole data we should write in the body tag. Okay, this is the body tag. For example, we have to write first program of HTML. which is the print hello world on the browser. For that, we first open text editor, whatever text editor you want. That means Notepad, Notepad++, or Dreamweaver you can use. For example, we use Notepad. Open your Notepad, type the below code, means we have to write these tags, right? So that's why we write first HTML, then head, then title. This is our first web page, or this is our first program. That's why we give title as the first web page, then end of title, end of head, then body tag. Inside body, we need to print hello world only. That's why we are writing there, that is hello world, then end of body and end of HTML. Okay, this is our whole code for writing HTML program, that is for printing hello world on the browser. This whole program, that means that text file we save by using index.html. index.html से अपन उसको सेव करेंगे. And for running purpose or opening the file in a web browser, रन करने के लिए we just double click on the index.html file, or you can open a browser and the write address of that index.html file on the address bar of the browser and press enter. Means there are two ways for the running program. First, just double click on the index.html file, that automatically open browser, and your program get executed. In second way, you have to open browser first, then write that whole address of the index.html file on the address bar of the browser, and then press enter to run that program. Okay, so we are just double clicking on the index.html file and the browser gets open, and on opening the file in the browser we will see the below output. Our title is first web page. That's why on the title bar we can see first web page, and our only body tag only contains hello world and the exclamation marks. That's why here the output is hello world and exclamation mark. Okay. Next point is features. What are the features of HTML? First feature is it is easy to learn and easy to use. As we have seen, it is very easy. There are total pair of 4 to 5 tags we have to add in each and every web page, and the program get easy. Second point is it is platform independent, means you can copy HTML program from one PC to another and you will get the same output. That is, it is platform independent. Images, videos and audios can be added to a web page. Hypertext can also added to a text web page. It is markup language. Markup language means all the program is written inside the tags. Next is advantages. There are 3 advantages. First is HTML is used to build a website. As HTML program get run on the browser, that's why we can use HTML to build a website. It is supported by almost all browsers and it can be integrated with other languages like CSS and JavaScript. Disadvantage: for creating a program using HTML, we need to write large amount of code for writing simple web page. Means in our previous example, we have to only print hello world, but we need to write whole tags and our program get little bit lengthy. That's why large amount of code has to be written to create a simple web page. HTML can create only static web page. So if for dynamic web page, other languages have to be used. Static web pages means whatever the data you write on the inside the body, it only get print on the web page. At the execution time, you cannot change the data. And third disadvantage is security feature is not good. There is no security provided to the web page. I want to give one task to you. open any web page or open any website on your browser, right click on the any web page and see and there are some options, and on that just click on the view source file. व्यू सोर्स फाइल मतलब आपको क्या करना है, ब्राउज़र में कोई भी एक वेबसाइट या वेब पेज जो है वो ओपन करना है, फिर राइट क्लिक करके वहाँ पे ऑप्शंस आते हैं मल्टीपल, तो उसके अंदर एक व्यू सोर्स फाइल करके ऑप्शन रहेगा, वो व्यू सोर्स फाइल देखना, तो आपको वो वेब पेज का टोटल डेटा जो है, सॉरी टोटल प्रोग्राम का कोड जो है वो देखने मिलेगा जो HTML में रहेगा। ठीक है, तो ये देखना, मतलब अपन कोई भी प्रोग्राम अगर ब्राउज़र में रन करते हैं तो हम उसका सोर्स कोड जो है वो देख पाते हैं। Thank you. For any queries, contact me on my number or you can message me. In next video, we will see different tags or text formatting tags. Okay, thank you.